Math Genie.
In this video, I'll be explaining how to solve more complex divisibility problems. Let's look at the question. What is the smallest four-digit number that is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10? If you have watched my last two videos, this problem should be really easy, but if you haven't watched my last two videos, it will be a little bit more difficult and hard to understand. So I'll link down the other two videos in the description box below, so you can go check those two out first before solving and proceeding to this problem. Alright, so before actually solving this, I'm going to lay out the 8 numbers again at the bottom, so it'll be easier for me to work with. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, skip number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so this is a problem that you may be able to find at math competitions, so that's why I've included this video. Alright, so last four-digit number, the smallest four-digit number, that is one clue that we have, that is divisible by these 8 numbers. Alright, so the number we're trying to find is definitely going to be 4 digits, right? So it's going to have 4 numbers that make up the number. Alright, that means that this first number here, 0 can't come here. Because if 0 comes here, that's going to make this number a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. So the next number that we can move on to is 1. Since 1 makes this number the smallest, this 4-digit number the smallest. Alright, let's start looking at these 8 numbers now. We can automatically put 0 at the last digit because the divisibility rule for number 10 says that the number has to end in 0. So if we put 0 at the end, that eliminates 10. So this number, whatever number this is going to be divisible by 10 and also 5 because the divisibility rule for number 5 is that the number has to end in either 0 or 5. We can also eliminate 2 and 3 and also 6 and also 4 because if we keep 8, that means the number is automatically going to be divisible by 2 and 4, which makes the number also divisible by 3 and 6. So the only qualification we really need to work with is 8, 9, and 10. The other 5 numbers at the beginning, we really don't need to focus on. Alright, what makes a number divisible by 8? If the last 3 digits, which means when I talk about the last 3 digits, I'm talking about, since this is a 4-digit number, I'm talking about the tens, ones, and also the hundredths digit. Those numbers have to be divisible by 8. And the qualification for number 9, so divisibility rule for number 9, is that the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So we can automatically see that the number is going to be 0 and 8 since the last 3 numbers here, which is 80, is divisible by 8. And also the sum of the digits, all the digits, which is 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 equals 9, which is divisible by 9. So 1080 is going to be the answer to this question. This is a very simple question, but if you do not know the divisibility rule, this is a very complicated question, and this will become a question that you will have to skip because it will take up too much time to solve. But if you know the divisibility rule for these numbers, then you should be fine to solve this problem very, very quickly. Thank you for staying to the end of this video.
Math Genie.